Oh, it does? Oh, so it's not even that good of a deal.
It's marked clearance. It's still $20 off, but then not everybody's gonna have it.
Right.
Well, it is a different number. I guess if they have that number.
Yeah, so we were scanning this one and that one. They look exactly the same, but this one just happens to be on clearance for 80, down from 100. 088-66-07-000-175.
This is the good one.
The Goodyear 6-gallon oil-free with brad nailer.
That's really cheap.
It's a good deal. The Husky deal was still better, but they're sold out everywhere.
Yeah, but still, that's like half price of what you pay at like Home Depot or something.
Absolutely. I think that's the one I have.
This little guy?
That one. I
Yeah,
don't know if it's
they're
a
not
hyper
that
tough
good.
though.
They'll do your tire, that's about it.
Well, that's all I use it for. Tire and clean stuff off. And finishing nailer. I used it once. It worked. Oh wait, I gotta change my microphone.
What happened?
There we go. I had it in front only.
Oh, now you have both?
Alright. Yep.
The W.
W.
Anybody know what a W is?
I don't know. But
W, I think.
we need to find fans though.
Fan? Right here. Oh, right here. They're usually right here.
There's some box fans. Well, they're on sale right now. Some of them. You gotta find them though.
Let me scan this one.
Scan this. Everybody, look what I found.
Scan this one.
If you don't know, this is Justin.
Whoa, now I'm at like a store assistant. Hey, everybody.
Oh, you got store assistant up.
What does that do?
When it's orange, it knows you're here, so it goes right to in-store pricing instead of going to online first.
Oh, okay.
It's super convenient.
Is it the most convenient? Oh, $2 off.
$2 off.
Oh, big money.
Big money.
Big money, big money.
No, some of these are down to like $5.
Yeah,
This
boy.
camping gear. Oh, that's the other thing. Deborah said we gotta find DWB in the
Oh, a
house.
couple dollars off too.
So
Where
only
is
for a
my
couple
girl,
dollars.
Deborah? How's she doing?
She's doing
today?
good.
Is she?
She's doing good.
I love that lady.
I know, right? So, but she was saying we need sleeping bags, bro. They're like $5.
Really? Let's go check. Well, that's what
Kids
we
sleeping
saw.
bags.
What we got here?
Flippy?
Oh, it's
I don't think it was
pulling up the red
78.
one. Oh.
Hold on, one of these aisles has actual fans.
Oh, yeah, like the whole.
Yeah. Dude, we bought a ton of open close umbrellas for $1.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It was awesome.
Like decent size?
Yeah, like nice size.
Usually the fan aisle, right? One of these?
That's what I thought, but it's, none of them are down there.
It's right here.
Oh, it's right there. Justin found it.
Yeah, now just.
We got buckets.
That's usually, remember where they stack them?
Oh, they're
So they're
right
in here.
I bet you all this stuff's on sale.
Oh, yeah. It's coming back around, though. Well, I mean, I had a fire the
Oh
other
yeah,
night.
these Quantum right here. They were $5.72, now $4.98.
No,
No, full
50
price.
cents off.
How about some Yankee Candle? Wasn't that funny?
That guy's having a good time.
1988. These are full price YouTubes. Just the Quantum.
Quantum physics.
All right.
Nothing good so far.
All right,
How
YouTube.
you doing, sir?
We'll be back.
Good.
They're right there.
See it? I don't know if it's it.
I don't even know those are it.
There is an A on there.
Well,
That's
that
why
and the
Captain
bottom.
America?
And the bottom. There's one on top and bottom.
Come on,
$4.50.
baby. What?
It's still a good deal. So usually I'm looking for these hidden Marvel bags for $1. This is $4.50, which still isn't a bad deal.
Still calculating.
Still calculating.
Still calculating. Yeah,
No, you're
dude.
full price, bro.
Full price in it. That one?
This one's, listen, for under $5 for a
You
Marvel
gotta read the
backpack.
thingy? Do you need the-
Oh yeah, it's 693186687211. Marvel backpack.
Good deal.
There's one for
Something else
$1.
going on over here.
So-
Is it Spider-Man on it or no?
No, the Marvel is this a different Marvel? Oh, hold on. What? It looks like shirts thrown in here.
Someone's hiding stuff like we used to do around Christmas. We were trying to say something. That's still a decent find, dude.
Oh, it is still a good deal.
Even a summer backpack for the kid or something.
But you know, I want that $1 deal,
With a
bro.
Dollar Jam. You're bending over like that in front of me.
Sorry, boo. What do we got here? What do we got? Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Dana's in Thailand. He has faster internet than I do. All right. $15.
Whoa, whoa.
Wait, is this the same marble as that one?
Yeah. That's the one down at the bottom.
Oh well. It's still a good deal, YouTubes. We're gonna keep looking.
I'm hungry.
Wait.
Did you find another one?
Yeah, that's Avengers with the red? Oh, that's the one you scanned over there.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you did that one. Alright, YouTubes, we're gonna if I can turn this head down to over clearance and see what we can find. We'll be back.
Alright, YouTubes, I'm not sure what happened. I am missing 2 pieces of footage that Justin and I shot with some toys and some other stuff we found. So I dropped them on here. You got UPC codes, you've got photos, prices I'm finding them for, and everything else you will need to track down these items at Walmart. So sorry we lost some footage, but obviously wanted to get you the pertinent information for what we were looking for and what we actually found in store.
YouTubes with Justin. We're wandering through the Get of Tar, the Target, the Targetto, wherever you call it.
A bunch of watch
But we got all kinds of stuff. Everything's on sale. Noise canceling headphones are $80. Earbud case and covers, 15 down to $4.49. iPhone 876 SE cases are these are 6.
Dude, that's pretty cool for the Apple Watch. I have the Apple Watch for Alexis.
Apple Watch band,
that's
$4.49.
That's hot in the streets.
You guys need to look up this Heyday brand.
Wait.
There's a little
With
watch
this,
bumper.
and this will fit the... Oh, dude, I should
Watch
get both of
series
these.
2 and 3, 38 millimeter. Which one do you have?
I don't know. I have no idea. Darn it, dude. She would love that.
She would.
$12
out the door. Boom. Boom.
Oh, I went down.
We're sideways and backwards. I don't know what's happening, YouTubes.
I missed you guys. Bebop.
It's like
Is it
$8
Bebop?
off OtterBox.
Oh, shoot, love that. The OtterBox, yeah, and it comes with a pop socket. I didn't know OtterBoxes come with a pop socket these days.
Oh, it's built in.
Yeah.
OtterPop.
OtterPop.
It is OtterPop.
Oh, wait. I'm
Wait.
just gonna say this is $45. On sale,
No.
dude.
The OtterBox. Is that the OtterPop?
Whoa, and it,
$18 from 60?
Whoa. We gotta see which one
We
it
need to
is.
scan it. Hang on to it.
Dude, is
We'll
it?
go scan it.
Oh, this fits right. She's got the i11.
Oh, not the
iPhone
12.
11.
This doesn't tell me anything.
Let's hit it.
There's like 40 numbers on it.
My phone's dead.
No, we need to scan it. Don't hit with your
all right. Yeah, we're gonna take a look.
clearance. Yeah, we'll take
You're
it.
taking
Wait.
scan,
We still
Johnny?
need to look over here, though.
Okay.
YouTube, I'm going to give you a little tip at Target. Something's in clearance.
It's in the clearance.
The staff has the ability to give you an additional 50% off. Not always a full 50. They have the ability and power to give you more money off. All you have to do is ask.
I'll tell you what.
That's
Speaking
it.
of that, so I'm at Home Depot, right? I got to get FRP. If anybody knows what FRP is, it's just white sheathing. A lot of times they put it up like in the kitchen,
Or what's
a
in your
commercial
bathtub
kitchen.
sometimes.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
I use
the
it for.
plastic in your
Okay,
bathtub.
so on the east side of Cleveland, we put it up in these bathrooms. So this one is actually head to toe. Blah blah blah. Right here in the corner, I went and I needed 9 sheets. Well, they only had 6 left. Each corner was blop, just a little bit, blop,
Just a little
right?
bit. Yeah.
And when I went up there, you just got to ask. And this is any cashier can give you at least 10% off. So say, hey, listen.
Oh, really? At the depot?
Uh-huh. I said, listen,
Oh.
I just got a little nick right here. Can I get a little off? She said, well, all I can do as a cashier is give you 10% off. And boom. So I had 6
Dude.
sheets. I saved $15 just like that. Just like
That's
that. All you
awesome.
got to do is ask. If you're nice, they'll give it to you. You can pretty much get it on anything.
That had some sort of damage or something. Just
But
looks
not
a little
always. You could just be like, sometimes it's like, hey, listen, single dad.
I need some
single
money
dad,
off.
Yeah.
Hook
And they'll
it
be like,
up.
okay. And they will.
Dude, that's amazing.
It doesn't even have to be damaged. So
Home
be
Depot
nice.
drops in the house.
Yeah, be nice to the cashiers.
All right, users, we also want to check out bedding. Found a lot
Every
of.
time we're here, they're always stocking.
They are always stocking. Yeah, I missed the late night, like 2 a.m. runs.
Yeah, dude, it was so cool.
Wait.
Everything was just open all the time. What did you miss?
Wasn't there? There's a laptop like $50 off, but I think it was online only.
What's
Oh, here
it?
it is. The Acer Chromebook. The Pesac. Save $50 through March 20th.
All right, well, you know what? I'm gonna just be real about this. Now, the thing that you realize when you start getting the screen size is, what do you get when you open your screen size up? Do you know what it is? What is the difference that you get in a laptop when your screen size is bigger?
What did compare to a netbook, or just in
Just
general?
in general, when you get a larger screen size in a laptop, what does it open up for you?
Well, it depends.
It's just the 1, 2, 3 on this side. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
The
7, 8.
keyboard,
You
the
gotta
number
have-
pad.
Yeah, you don't get the number pad.
Yeah, the number pad is clutch.
I got that Evan.
Yeah. YouTube. Justin's trying to explain to me what laptop he got his mom. He started with like the word dingle or something.
It turns out it was a Lavola.
No, Lenovo.
But I did. I got a great deal at Walmart, and you know what? The thing had awesome memory, and it was a real high something speed, so I could like stream really well.
Yes.
Whatever, you know what it is.
Well, that's what happens.
Yeah,
I want to scan this thing.
It's
Oh, wait,
here.
wait,
It's
wait, wait,
it's over here at the end.
Oh, they're locked in.
Oh, they are locked in.
That's the thing you gotta check with these things.
Dude, just go to West Side Skate.
I got ripped off on my Tony Hawk skateboard for $15 or whatever.
It was only $15.
Yeah.
Well, that's like Taryn. We went to West Side Skate, bro.
How's my girl doing, dude?
Doing good, man.
God, she's so old now.
I know.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. What did I say? It was $40.
Yeah.
45. Boom.
$17.99.
My God.
That's crazy. Was 60?
It's the OtterBox.
Now 18. OtterBox Pop.
Let's scan it again. It's gonna give us our UPCs or something.
$17.99. 080-083547. That's a DPCI.
Dude.
That's what you need.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
With the pop socket.
And it's OtterBox. You know what to hold up.
Are we taking that?
Yeah.
We wanted to let you know that our registers will close in 5 minutes.
Oh, we have 5 minutes? YouTube, we're going to move quick.
Yeah.
We just hit it. Pillow Fort. All of it is 50% off.
That is awesome.
Comforter sets 50% off.
Dude, that would look great on Alexis. But even this one.
Stitch quilt
Dude.
$24.99.
I love that.
It is awesome.
That's reversible.
How much are they? $22.49 from $45.
Oh, yeah,
$25.
get the numbers.
$23. Just honestly hop on. I wonder if it's on sale on their website too.
I don't know.
When I put this video out, I'll make sure I pop onto Target and check out Pillow Fort.
Ooh, I like this,
Dude.
dude.
Glitter.
Oh, no way.
That's awesome.
I don't want to wake up with glitter on my face.
These are the comforter sets.
I'd be confused. Oh my God, are you serious? How much is it?
$13.49.
No way.
Dude, it's a full queen
Whoa,
comforter
whoa, whoa.
set.
This is the one I like. This is the one I like. Alexis would like this one.
It's not on sale. No.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
It
Where's
just
the
has no
price?
sticker on it. Do any of these have a sticker?
The other one should have. How much is that one?
These ones don't have stickers.
Dude, you got your thing scanned there. No?
Hold on.
You don't want to scan me?
Let me open the phone here. Ah. I can't believe all this Pillow Fort stuff's on sale.
Wow. What a great name.
Pillow Fort, right?
Yeah. Hit me.
$32.29. It's only showing 50% off online, so we gotta scan it. So here,
Oh, we
regular
have to
price.
scan it at the thing.
Regular price is $38, so it's half that in store.
19.
$19.
Wow.
Reversible comforter set.
Dude, oh my God, look at this.
Oh, that's awesome. A dip tie canopy.
Uh,
That's great.
Look
It
at
does look like a horror film though, with the red
yeah,
lights
yeah, it does. Like, ah.
coming out of the ground.
All right, let's put
I
this
will-
back, right?
Yes. All right,
I
and
should just buy it.
but you don't have a 12.
Oh, you got an 11.
It's not gonna fit anything.
Shut up, Josh.
We can see what they're selling for on eBay.
Oh, that's a great idea.
All these are. Yeah, let's scan it. There, YouTube. We'll give you
Let's check it out.
a live eBay scan. See what's going on.
We're probably down to 3.5 minutes right now.
Yeah, it's 9:58. We
What
have
are
like
they
2 minutes.
lying to us, dude?
But it's at 11. $30 online.
It's a 13.
Let's see if any sold.
Oh, that's a good point.
2 sold, only 1 for sale. 47 and 40.
Dude, that's a good deal.
Dude, you're still doubling your money.
Coming up.
That's awesome. All right, YouTubes.
I guess we gotta go.
We need to check Pillow Fort. Pillow Fort. It's been a long day. We're gonna
Are
go
we
put
going
this
to
back.
Stu's?
Yeah, we gotta go to Stu's
We're gonna
next.
go to Stu's. Might
I
end
don't
up with
even-
a late night pizza.
I don't know how long this video is, YouTube's, but we are trucking through.
Oh man, dude, they got. You know, I will say this: they got the best board game selection.
They always do. Dude,
know?
I was so excited to buy my brother Crossfire. We played it when we were little kids.
Yeah.
They came back out with it.
That's awesome.
All right, you said there's some other deals at Target,
My phone's
but they're gonna
dead.
kick us out. So we've got pillow forts, we got blankets, twin comforters, full queen.
Wait.
We've got phone
Look
cases.
over here, right?
We got ear pod cases.
Wow,
We
that
got
was actually a really good
quiet
Target
headphones
run.
for $70. This is a great Target run.
Target, you don't always. It's a hit or miss. You
It
know?
is hit or miss.
Remember when we were getting the powder cups?
Dude, I bought all of those. I sold so many of those.
Great deal. Hey, get a close up with us here.
YouTube's. I found Justin.
Yeah.
And
I miss you guys. This is great.
yeah, we're gonna go take in some
DJ.
adult beverages and go check out what Stu's doing.
Stewie.
And maybe I'll throw it in after this clip.